Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SimplyPretty Creations. In this video, I am making over my master bedroom balcony. It's a very small balcony. This is how it was before. Actually, this was an open balcony without these windows, but we decided to enclose this because of the pigeon menace. There were pigeon droppings all over the walls and floor. Once we got these aluminium windows fixed, I cleaned the entire balcony, the walls and the floor, and painted two of the walls. I also installed this window film for privacy. First, I decided to apply this wall decal on the wall. I got these wall stickers from Amazon. You can find the link in the description box. After this, I'll be showing you a few DIY projects that I did for this balcony makeover. I'll be roughly showing you what all I did, but I'm not getting into the details of the projects. I have two of these metal trunks with me. I'll be painting this one in white and gold. Since I used white enamel paint for painting the trunk, it was taking forever to dry. I had applied 2 coats of paint, and because of this, I finally ended up not painting the other trunk. Next, I wanted to make a wall decor piece, and I wanted it to be something very light in weight so that I can just hang it from the bulb holder without drilling any nails into the wall. The surface of the balcony wall was not smooth, so I wasn't able to use command hooks or strips for this. This is a small plastic stool which I'll be using as a plant stand. I'll be painting this in white using some chalk paint. There is a plumbing line which runs through the balcony. I am going to wind this faux English ivy creeper onto it with the help of some zip ties.